Be practical, be realistic. These are two killer advices that most people give us when we want to go after our dreams. I call them killer advices because they kill your dreams. I was working as a manager in a leather goods company. I was designing and manufacturing leather goods. So after working for 15 years, I got fed up of it and I said, I don't want to do it anymore. And I wanted to become a trainer. So naturally, I approached, the people close to me for some advice. I asked them, I want to become this trainer. So what do you say to that? And most of them gave me these two advices. Rajiv, be practical. Rajiv, be realistic. And I'm really thankful that I didn't listen to any of that advice. Now, nothing is actually practical, nothing is actually realistic. Let me give you two examples. Number one, of the person who was an attendant at a petrol pump filling, petrol. Now, do you think it's practical for this man to dream of building an empire like Reliance? Wait, but he did that, right? The other example is of our chaiwala, who again dreamt of becoming the Prime Minister of India. So do you think it was practical? Do you think it was realistic? No. When a dream takes sort of a birth in our mind, it is just an idea. So it's not practical. It is you who has to work hard to make it practical, to make it realistic. So if you have a dream which you want to achieve, which you are passionate about, which inspires you, then don't listen to these killer advices which others give you. Be realistic, be practical. Run away from them, right? So I hope you like the message. Yes, then please share it and like it. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care. Bye.